Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Stock Traders, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys a new and a very unique intraday trading strategy. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can take trades and how you can take positions in the market using this strategy. So if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and share and like this video so I can keep coming up with more videos. So let's get to the video now. Okay guys, so the first thing we're supposed to do is go to the NSE website at 9:15. Okay, so the first thing we're supposed to do is go to the NSE website at 9:15, which is when the market opens, correct? And this is the official NSE website link, which is nseindia.com. And then we're supposed to go to market data and then indices. And under indices, you will get all the indices of Nifty, of NSE, right? Which is listed on the National Stock Exchange, which are all the stocks, which are sectorial indices and everything. Okay, so I'll be giving an example of, how I took a short position in the market today using the same strategy and how I made a profit of it. Okay, so first we're supposed to go to, select an indice, all right? So I selected Nifty 50. Okay. And so this is how you take a short position in the market. Okay. So what you're supposed to be looking at is the open and the high. All right. The open and the high at 9:15. You're supposed to start looking at the opens and the highs. Okay. And what you're supposed to be looking for is the open should be equal to the high. All right, the open is supposed to be equal to the high. Okay, so there are 50 stocks in Nifty 50, correct? And we go through all the stocks first. Okay, and we see that Power Grid, the open was equal to the high. All right. So what that means is that the stock opened and it started falling. That the opening price was the highest that the stock traded at, and after that it started to fall. All right, that is what we're supposed to be looking for, right? These are the type of stocks we're supposed to be looking for at 9:15, and by 9:30 we should be done finalizing our watch list for the day. So my watch list and the stock which was on my list was Power Grid, and this was the position which I had taken. So I'll be showing you the position which I took. So let me repeat it again. What I did is first at 9:15 when the market opens, go to the NSE website. Under that, go to indices and go to Nifty 50 or Nifty Bank, whichever indice you want to trade, you can go to it. Okay, and start looking at the open, high and the lows too. Okay, if you want to take a long position, you can also look at the lows. But I took a short position. I'll be showing you what I did there. So then you're supposed to start looking at, open is equal to high to take a short position. Okay, which was Power Grid right here. So I put Power Grid on my watch list, and now I'll be showing you how I took this trade. So over here we have Power Grid opened up at the TradingView terminal. So now I'll be showing you how I took a trade. So as we can see, right, the market data told us that the open was the highest. All right, the opening of the stock, which was right here, right, as we can see, this candlestick right here was the opening. Right, we see this right here, right? This was the opening, and as soon as the stock opened, the stock started to fall. Okay, the stock took a reversal. Correct. As we can see, there was a very big bearish candle. So this is not supposed to be our entry. Okay, this is not a very safe place to enter. Yes, you would have made a very big profit off of this candlestick right here. A very big profit, 1.2% is a very big profit for an intraday, but that is not what we're supposed to do. So when it starts to open, all right, we're supposed to select our stock, and we had selected Power Grid, and I said by 9:25 to 9:30 our stock should be selected. Okay, and then out of our selected stocks, we're supposed to choose the best stock according to the technicals, right? And I found that the technicals of this stock was the best, okay, for the day, because it was trading at a level and indicating that it can take a breakdown, until this point right here. Okay, this was the next support for this stock, correct? So what I did was I took a short position in power grid at around 9:30. Okay, this was when I took my short position, correct? And for you can set your stop loss accordingly, according to your risk taking capacity. And my stop loss was, I guess, somewhere around here itself, around 215.70 was my stop loss. And I sold the stock when during the middle of the day, where I started seeing these straight line candles where there was not a very big movement, right? So there was not a very big movement. These candles, right, they indicate that a very big movement is about to come. Then that movement could be a downward movement, which would be in my favor, or that could be a very big upward movement, which would not be in my favor. Correct. So this is where I decided to exit my position, making a solid 0.42% gain off of my intraday. I took an entry at 9:30 and I exited by around 12, right, 11:45, 12. So this is how you can take a short position using this strategy in the market, right? So I'll just go through it once again. It is very simple to understand. So first you're supposed to go on the NSE website, and we're supposed to go under indices, right? Under indices, we're supposed to look at the open, high and the lows, right? We're supposed to look at if the open is equal to the low, correct? If the open is equal to the low by 9:25, 9:30, we can take a bullish trade in the market, okay? Right? We can take a bullish trade in the market if the open, right? If the open is equal to the low, correct? Just take an example. I'll give an example, right? Let's say tomorrow power grid opens at, let's say 214.50, and this is the lowest point that the stock has traded, and by 9:25, 9:30, which indicates that this is a strong support zone, and the market may go up, right? The open is equal to the low, that the market has gone up. So then we will buy this stock and go for a bullish intraday trade, and exit accordingly, right? Exit accordingly during the day. There is no entry, there's no exact time to exit the trade, but this is by 9:25 to 9:30 you should be by 9:35 to 9:40, let's say, you should enter into the stock, okay? So that is how you can take a bullish trade. And short selling, I had explained, you should be looking for the open is equal to the high, right? That means that a clear example right here, the open is equal to the high, the stock has fallen down and taken a bearish trend, right? The open is equal to the high and take a bearish trend, and we short the stock. And if the open is equal to the low, right, we can go bullish and take a bullish trade in the market. So this is a very simple and a very strong intraday strategy, okay? So that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day. Hey guys, so that was it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.